God damn. Wow. These dudes, I heard them leaving the off-ramp. They doing some heavy hauling. They making some dang noise. Here comes one of them. They making some noise. Well, he definitely is, as Pete is. Over the weekend, spent some money having rear axles done. Like I had my brakes, all my brakes redone. They added all the part in there. Like, well, you got little seepage on the seal on one side, blah blah blah. Like, well, you might as well just do both seals on both sides, and that way everything is all fresh on both sides when it all goes back together. So we does that. Get down here to make this delivery. Going down the road, and I got Loves here now. As I'm going down the road, oh, that's one of my wheels that's trying to come off there. The nut that's supposed to keep it tight, everything packed, backed off. So I don't know if he didn't tighten it down or if he didn't torque it down or what, but let's see how this goes. Let's see if Loves takes care of me or not, because I got a load I'm supposed to be picking up. $2,000 back to Florida. Let's see what happens. Well, just told that they're gonna tow my truck to the shop and fix it at the shop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose my load here. All right, YouTube family, we got a story. It's getting thick. Man, there's just a lot. Now they talking about they're gonna tow my truck back to the shop. Hopefully there's no crazy damage to my spindles. Man, the dude that did the work on my truck, he tried to rape me at the Loves. I shouldn't even say Loves, because I don't want to put Loves under the bus, because it had nothing to do with Loves. It just had to do with their techs. You know, they charged me two separate fees. They charged me for the brakes, and then they try to charge me the same amount of money for doing the seal. I don't think that's fair, because once you're in there, you're in there. The wheels came off, you know, so on and so forth. All that extra work has already been done. But as you can see, there's a wheel right there, and it's sticking out. When he put the axle nut on, he reused the old factory one and didn't put the new one on, a newer one on that locks. So now we have a that's coming off the back of the truck. Try not to say Loves, but the shop says, if you pay to get it towed up here, we'll reimburse you if you pay the tow to get it up here. I said, you want me to do what? No, I'm not doing that. Listen, I gave y'all a couple $1,000s over the weekend to get this truck all done, and now y'all want me to spend, you know, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 to have somebody come out here and tow my truck, and then you say you're going to reimburse me? Man, listen, I wasn't born yesterday, you know. But what they say, I was born that night, but not last night. No, we ain't going. Listen, but they took you with the trailer, and I did a video on it before. I had an issue with another trailer, and they took pretty good care of me. I mean, I lost a lot of money on freight, but They fixed my trailer. They reimbursed me for the work that they charged me for. So we'll see what they do on this one, because they're gonna have to take both sides back apart and redo everything in there, like redo from the front to the back, because they don't want an issue again and have me on the side of the road, because like down there, and I'm grabbing gears and I start feeling this weird vibration and just something that didn't feel right. And I pulled over really quick to the side, and then when I look out, next thing I know, I'll see these hanging out there. And the thing about that is, imagine if I was driving on the interstate, like that could have been bad, man, for me or for anybody around me. And that's what scares me the most. It's not even about what could have happened to my truck. I'm more worried about what would have happened, what if someone else would have got hurt, If damage would have happened to my truck, that is what it is. Stuff happens, it's equipment. But goodness, just imagine a tandem, even a tandem axle rolling at 20 miles an hour can really, really F somebody up, So I'm just glad I stopped. I'm glad I looked at it, glad I seen it, glad I noticed it, glad I wasn't on the interstate. So now the other part is all the action that's gonna come with it. Let's see if, one, they take care of me, because I'm losing money. I was supposed to be picking up a load right now, going back down to Florida, paying me pretty good, going back down to Florida, and now I'm not. So they're talking about this. They end up calling corporate and talking about a new deal, basically. Yeah, they're going to they end up calling the corporate office and talking to them about it, and they're going to pay for the tow now, because I'm not paying for the tow. So now they talking about I already sat out here for 3 hours waiting for the Loves guy to come. Now they're talking about I gotta sit out here for anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours for the tow truck to come. Somebody gotta get me right. I did nothing wrong here. When they said this is what I owed, I paid what it weighed. I didn't bicker. I didn't go back and forth. I had a lot I wanted to say, because there was some bro. Listen, YouTube family, these cats try to charge me. I'm sorry, they did charge me. I'm gonna get the receipt. I left the receipt at my girl house. These cats charged me, it was either 150 or 200 bucks for grease cleanup. I'm like, what the heck grease cleanup did you do? Everything was new. Everything was new. All the brake drums, the brake shoes, axle seals and all. You know what I mean? Like, what was? Yeah, I think it was like $250 for cleanup. I really wanted to ask dude, like, bro, what was $250? Anyways, I'm gonna get the receipt. I'm gonna find the receipt. I don't know where I put it. I put it up somewhere, or unless I left it, like I said, at my girl's house or in her car. But they'll be able to give me a copy of it when I get down here. But this is only just getting started. This is only just getting started. After all that time, it's been a couple hours. Look who's pulling up. Let's get this sucker out of here. I done enough sleeping. I need something to do. Let's see what he pull out there and back. I don't know. He gonna do the whole tow truck thing. Oh, I see you, gangster. Oh, he a whole gangster about his. I like that. He ain't scared at all. stuff. Smell it. All brand new. It all came apart. All in there. So didn't put the nut on. Awesome. Now he's talking about you're gonna have to tow them separately. See, that's why I didn't want to pay for no tow. So he's talking about you're gonna tow the truck and then you have to come back and get a trailer because the wheel being messed up. You can't tow them together. So see what this is all, how this goes. I told you this one's gonna be one for the books because it's gonna be layers. She's sitting out here both. Wow. Never. I ain't never seen nothing like that ever before. Every day I guess we see new stuff out here in this world. Crazy thing is you wouldn't have truck the other day. It's so damn dirty. He's gonna move and pick it up from the back, so see how this goes. I don't know what he's gonna do about that axle to secure it. I don't know how he's gonna do that, but we gonna find out. Either way, I'm trying to get down there. I'm hungry. I just want to get over there and go get some food, right? Yeah. What a day. All you can do, people, is smile and laugh. I'm telling you. Listen, Facebook family or YouTube family, it's just, boy. You can't write some of this stuff. The stuff that happens, the way it happens, woo! It's just funny. But it's gotta have a heart not to quit, because you love to do stuff like this. So Hopper getting down. It's the second Hopper I've seen. This thing sound good. Yeah. Sorry, I got distracted, y'all. It's my love. That's why I deal with it. Let's see what happens here. While he's figuring out how he's gonna hook my lowrider up. You know me, I can't help it. So Peterbilt coming around here, making some noise. Look at that. I think he's just gonna lift it up to get the equipment underneath the truck. things up. It's like picking up a bad kid. Yoink! Come here, you. Look at the angle of that dangle. Fun, fun, fun. All that shit came apart. That's great. God damn. Wow.